Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform a force restart or reboot on your Apple iPad Air M4. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, we make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell right down there. All right, let's get to it. All right, so how we're going to perform the force restart, super simple. All we're going to do is we're going to press volume up, volume down, and then we're going to press and hold the power lock button or Siri button until the iPad's going to turn off, and then we're going to continue holding it until the Apple logo shows up. All right, so let's go ahead and do it now. Volume up, volume down, and then the Siri button up here. Okay, you're going to see slide the power off. Just continue holding. It is going to take a couple seconds. Okay, once the screen blacks out, continue holding. Don't release it. And then once you see the Apple logo, you can release. So just give it a couple seconds and it will turn back on automatically. There you go. And that is how you perform the quick restart or force restart on your Apple iPad Air M4. Go ahead and destroy the like button if this video helped you. Comment down below. Let me know if it did. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. All right, that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. And as always,